Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be changing the ST badges on my car from the silver and red ones that they are to these black backed nitrous blue ones. Now you can find these on DMB Graphics. There'll be a link to these in the description below. There's loads of different colors, so you can choose what ones you want. These are the black backed ones, like I said, and they're a direct replacement for the ones on the ST. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fit them. So yeah, these are just small changes to the car, but I think they'll make it stand out a little bit more. Obviously the blue on the grey actually stands out loads, like the interior is just blue and grey and black. So I quite like the colour scheme, that's why I'm taking that to the outside at the minute. So yeah, we're just going to pop these on and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, we have the ST badge here. Now, this is just stuck on, so you need to find some way to heat this up. There's a couple of ways you can do it. The first way is with a hairdryer or heat gun and slowly warm it up until you can get something behind it. I'm going to be using this card to get behind it. You can use dental floss or fish wire just so you can get behind it and then start peeling it off. The other way is by using hot water. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not using boiling water. I've put some water in a kettle, boiled the kettle, wait for it to cool down for a minute or so before I start pouring it on the car. So I'm just going to gently pour it over the area that needs to be warmed up. That'll go down, and then as you can see, I can now get the card behind there and ease that off. Now as you can see, it has left this sticky residue. You want to get the majority of this off. Okay, so like the front, we're going to do exactly the same thing on the back. Just pour the water over gently and let it warm up. Then again, we can get our card behind there. And the reason why we're using the card is so we don't damage the paintwork, and gently take the badge off. Now this one's coming off a little bit better, as in most of the sticky stuff is coming off with it. Now when you order these, you'll get a larger one and you'll get a smaller one. Now the larger one is for the back, the smaller one will be for the front. If you are unsure, you can measure against the size of the standard badges just so you know where they're going. So now you want to make sure that this area is dry once it's cleaned. Then you want to think about where you want to put your badge and then place it on. So I'm going to go roughly where it used to be. I can sort of see some of the glue lines, so I'm going to try and follow them as best as I can. Alright, and there we go guys, that is done. Alright guys, so back around the front, as you can see, I've got most of the sticky stuff off behind. There's some slight glue marks where the old ST badge used to be, but I'm not too bothered about that, as we are going to stick our new one on in the place where it was, so hopefully that should cover most of it up. So I'm just going to take it off of the backing. And then measure it where it needs to be, and there we go guys, new ST badge on the front as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, hit the subscribe button as always, and remember to join me in the next video. Thanks for watching.